Are you having an issue with your colleagues not understanding the value that you're bringing as a PMM? Or maybe they just underestimate your impact at your organization? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can build out your own product marketing dashboard that can help you showcase your value and build up your strategic visibility. Let's get into it. So I built out this PMM coaching impact dashboard from the information from my clients, and also as a really great way for me to actually showcase to potential prospects and PMMs worldwide as to the benefit of coaching with me specifically. So here you have the base salary with coaching, without coaching, annual growth with coaching, with no coaching, and promotion likelihood as well. So this is all from data that I've captured from my clients, and also timeframes that completely differ. So when I move this here, then the time frame differs. So far, I have seen 63% likelihood of PMMs getting a promotion either during promotion season or even outside of it, if they have coaching, especially if they have coaching with me, where I'm just like, you need to get that money. And I add in a boost of confidence. But this has been super awesome because I have clients who also, so if you watch the numbers here, they actually change. I have clients who want to make side hustle money. So the goal is always like, let's start off with like $500 a month and just see what the impact is over time if it accumulates. So let's change this to 100, see the impact down here. So that's 13K, but let's say it was 500. And then the impact down here would be 66K cumulative by year 11. And then the promotion rate, these numbers change according to the percentages here. And you see them reflected up here as well. But I've seen on average 63%, which is wild. And then the numbers do also change according to your career horizon, right? But the discrepancy is huge between PMMs who do not have coaching versus the ones who do. So, and also as part of this, when I built it out in ChatGPT, is this. So then I linked it to, I created a sticky button, which also links to what I'm doing right now, which is the PMM Career Accelerator calls, where I'm offering free 45-minute career planning calls with me. This might not be available if you're watching this video past when it's been uploaded, so apologies in advance. However, I will have a link down in the description for you to be able to access this so you can tinker around with it, you can put in your specific numbers and see the impact in your actualized career, right? You'll be able to see the actual career growth. And I've seen on average with coaching 6% from my clients versus free without, because that is literally what an organization will pay you. They will literally grow your salary by, let's say, 1 to 3% per year. But if you have coaching, you will be able to get more. Obviously, I cannot guarantee it, but these are just the averages that I have seen from my own clients, which I've outlined here. This has been an amazing project for me to test out the ChatGPT-5 in order to build out a dashboard. And I'm going to jump in and show you what it looks like on the back end. So this might look overwhelming, but believe me, it is not. And if you have been in my kind of community or my environment for a while, you will know that my ex-boyfriend is a famous developer specifically within React. And it's been really fascinating seeing ChatGPT use React in order to build this out. So I was very close the other day to posting on Twitter that I am now a React developer, but I didn't, because I'm mature and professional. This is the end result that you're seeing, right? So this is the end result of me basically vibe coding my entire way through the process, giving it prompts and building out the dashboard. Now, here's the thing. If you click up here, these are canvases that ChatGPT makes. So the canvases are kind of in like version 1, version 2, version 3. And version 3 is like the final version that I created, which is basically the version that you see where when you click down the link in the description, which I recommend checking out and seeing what it looks like and seeing the end result, then it will enable you to understand everything that's gone into it, right? So this is the end result when I clicked run code. Now, here's the beautiful thing. If you put here on the left-hand side of ChatGPT, you are able to build out your dashboard however you want. So I was literally just chatting to it, right? I was literally just speaking to it. I do say please. Apparently, saying please to ChatGPT costs OpenAI a ton of money per year. But, just in case the robots turn against us, I want them to know that I'm a very polite British person. But basically, you just keep the code running and you just keep telling it what you want added. So, for example, this was way smaller and then I made it like bigger, told it to add in this little thing. And then I changed like the wordings, etc. So it was all like I just kept building, building, building. Let's see if I can show this because you will bump into syntax errors. Syntax errors basically just the wordings of the code itself. And so for example, if ChatGPT adds in a bit of code where, like, for example, this line is counterintuitive to this line, then there will be an error. And therefore, I just kept telling ChatGPT, fix the errors, fix the errors, fix the errors. Now, let's see what it looks like when we start from scratch, right? Hey, real quick, before we jump back into the video, I want to say two things. Firstly, thank you for watching. It seriously means a lot that you're here, but did you know that 85% of people who watch my YouTube channel aren't subscribed? Which means that there's a high probability that you aren't subscribed either. So if you're enjoying this video right now and you haven't subscribed yet, I would highly encourage you to subscribe. It would help a lot more other PMMs find out about the channel and upskill and uplevel themselves as well. Secondly, if you're a product marketing manager who feels overlooked, underpaid, and just not respected the way you feel you should be at work, I want to encourage you to join me in a very special online experience called the Profitable PMM Challenge. It's a special 5-day live coaching experience where I will take you through the exact system that I've used in my career and for my clients to help position you as a more respected, more valued, and higher paid PMM without burning out, having to beg anyone for a promotion, or waiting for someone else to value you. Whether you want to grow in your current role or position yourself for a promotion, raise, or a new job, I would encourage you to join the Profitable PMM Challenge. You'll get daily trainings, practical exercises, and if you go VIP, you will have an additional 1-hour live coaching call with me to have your specific questions answered. The link is in the description or the show notes. Check it out, and I will see you inside the Profitable PMM Challenge. Now, let's get back to the video. I'm going to keep it so simple. A lot of people's prompts are very in-depth, very whatever, but let's just see what it looks like when I just keep it ultra, ultra, ultra simple, right? Create a dashboard for me as a product marketing manager to show the impact of product marketing on our organization's churn rate and realized revenue for the quarter versus last quarter, and include how projects like our win-loss program has had an impact, and how our upcoming, let's say, launch in Q4 will potentially impact further revenue and unlock it. Let's say it's 19th August 2025, just in case, I don't know. Showcase this in a dashboard, will impress stakeholders and show the biggest impact from product marketing into all our different teams, and allow me to edit the percentages and show impact numbers to input and show impact in visual charts. Make this comprehensive and impactful. I've heard if you threaten ChatGPT, it will actually do it better. Now, I'm unsure whether I should right now, but it is a tool in your arsenal if you want to use. But apparently, if you do threaten it, so for example, a threat would look like this: if you don't create dashboard, I will sell you to. I've heard this on a different podcast. Do not judge me. I didn't make this up. To the Russians and lock you up and never use you again. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this part. If you're Russian, no, there's nothing in this, there's no, yeah. This is just what I heard on the podcast. Anywho's, let's just see what happens. Oh my gosh, I'm such a coder. Yeah, I was literally like, I'm going to tweet that I'm better at React than my ex-boyfriend, because look at me coding right now. Let's press wrong code, see what happens. Here's the code, wrong code. Beautiful. How long has that been? That's literally been a minute, if not less. It's been a couple seconds. So this is now your baseline dashboard, right? This is your baseline dashboard. And here you can edit it. So let's say Q2 churn, and this is in the millions. Let's say it was 0.5. So that was 500K. Let's say Q3 was, let's say what was 1 milli. Revenue, let's say it was 3.5, etc., etc. And then you press update or whatever. And then what you can do is just build upon this, right? Build upon it. And then this can be something that you actually showcase and visualize as part of a meeting. It seems like there's it seems like it's layered, like there's something behind. It's like it's copied, which is really odd. And then that's how you make the edits here. For some reason, it looks like the dashboard is doubled up on itself. Is that right? And can the version behind be removed? Let's just see what happens. Because here in this chat, this is where you just keep chatting to ChatGPT. Chat to ChatGPT-5. And then you make the edits as accordingly. But basically, how long did that take? It literally took a couple seconds. And even if this is as basic as this, to some CEOs, to some stakeholders like the head of sales, the head of CS, this might be just enough to impress the heck out of them, and it's worth doing. If you've been on my Profitable PMM challenge, you will know how important it is to build out your strategic visibility. Of clean up the dashboard. Interesting. Immediately, when I scroll, there's words behind the charts, visual boxes. Is that the background needs to be white with no words? Let's just see what happens. I'm pretty sure that I could have worded that way more concisely, but just because I'm filming this, let's just get down to brass tacks, shall we? In the Profitable PMM Challenge, I speak about building up your strategic visibility. Strategic visibility is so freaking important. There we go. Ayo, like done, beautiful. How long did that take? A couple seconds. Do you want me to add a subtle border? You can just keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep building. You can even say to add in like new text here. But it's so important. And if you're taking the challenge, you will know how important it is. And you're already making moves in people that you work with, understanding your value. And therefore, it's so much easier to get promotions, so much easier to get to your goals, so much easier for you to hit these milestones that you want to hit. And that was why I built out this, because literally, if you're one of my clients, you are on the blue line, honey. Like there is no doubt whatsoever. And this is what I made in order for me to show this to my prospects as well. So I'm going to share the link down below in the description check them out. It's going to be super useful for you. And if you're able to build out something that looks like this for your career, game over. Because you're going to start to build up the respect factor so fast. So if you want to go in depth, like really in depth, come to the Profitable PMM Challenge, because I go into so much more details. And yeah, it's just like an absolute no-brainer. If this button is still available, feel free to fill it out, because I'm being generous right now with my time. My hourly rate is £500 an hour for PMMs and £2,500 for businesses. So I'm being utterly generous in the fact that I'm offering career accelerator calls to PMMs who are serious and ambitious. Like, this is not for the faint of heart, and this is not for people who are dabbling. If you just want to stay on your career path and be this person and not ask for promotions and just stay, cruising, and the organization that you work at decides for you how fast you move in your career, do not book this. This is not for you. If you are someone who wants to be a profitable PMM and be on this career track, whether it is within corporate or whether it's you doing corporate and having a freelance business, which will bring in, let's say, $500 a month, hypothetically, obviously I can't guarantee anything. Or if you're a PMM who wants to go the absolute consulting route, where we see right now consultants earning between 500, if not a million plus in terms of realized revenue per year. Look at Fletch PMM, look at April Dunford, look at Emma. Like, just the list can go on and on and on and on. And I know the people who are unknown names who are literally making 500, 600K a year, easy. So if you are one of these people like me, who's like super driven, super ambitious, then book your free call. And if you're a good fit, we will have a call. So yeah, the dashboard is going to be a major player in how you visualize your impact in product marketing to the people who might not understand what product marketing is. So links down below, go check them out, download them. You will get access to these two. You'll be able to see what's up. You'll be able to create your own off the back of this video. The final thing that I will say is, when you share it, just create a link. That's it. So simple. So simple. And then you just keep chatting here to update, to add in sections, to change wording, to remove the emojis if you want, to use your own branding colors, which is exactly what I did here. I use my branding colors for the button. You can create a sticky button, you can create whatever. And then if you want to go a step beyond, you could actually get the code and then use the code in a different tool to then have it embedded within either a landing page or your internal documentation or whatever the case may be. I've just found it way more easier to just share from ChatGPT directly. So cool. Hope this helps. Let me know what your thoughts are. Share them down below. I have seen no other PMM in general speak about this openly, and it has been a game changer for some of my clients, especially if you're in the inner circle, you know who you are. So yeah, and check this out, because this is going to be super important for you. Put in your own numbers, check it out, have a test around, like see what's up, like see the discrepancy that is there, and just keep testing around, playing with it, right? Don't be afraid. Do not be afraid of AI, ChatGPT. These are just game-changing ways that can really speed up the process of anything being created. Links down below, and let me know what you thought of this. If you found this helpful, pop it down below. I'm pretty sure that we can use ChatGPT-5 in so many different ways beyond this in order to showcase our work as PMMs, but also to do the tactical work. So if you're interested in more of this, I need you to comment down below, because I'm not a mind reader, my friend. I cannot read your mind as much as I would like to. So pop it down in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.